Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about AIs. In today's episode, we're talking about a0.dev. This is a brand new AI tool that's recently found. I believe they were just added to Y Combinator. There's more of a startup combinators uh, that embrace startups and then push them into the wider markets. So a0.dev is very similar to the likes of both the new lovable workplace, but it's more specific to mobile apps. So I believe you can build a mobile app within minutes, which will be deployed to iOS and Android apps. This is something new. I believe there are one or two companies doing the same thing at the moment, but in today's episode, we'll be looking at AO.dev. So one of the things we'll be looking at is how much it costs to subscribe to this platform, and also how fast it is and how easy it is to build a mobile app with minimum amount of efforts. So today, let's just build something very simple and straightforward. So we'll be building something around fitness app, seeing what it's going to come out with, and then we can see and compare with the rest of the product in the market. So let's quickly check out building something simple. So we're going to be looking at build me yeah, system, just something random. See what it's going to come up with. So this is a what we call a single shot prompting, whereby I've just given it something. I've given the AI a little bit of information, and I'll like the AI to determine and predict what I'll actually trying to achieve. So this not really specific, but if you want it to be more specific, there are other AI tools and other ways you can use to create your requirement gathering and then feed it into this so you can be more specific to the type of application you want to build. So right now, we're just building something with a single shot prompting method. Right. So it's telling me I've got 5 more remaining changes for today. Let's see what that means. The message limits reset daily. Message only counts when the AI makes changes to your code. Okay. Currently, I cannot see anything moving, which is not helpful. I do not know what's actually going on behind the scenes. Let's kind of code. Is it running? It's not running at the moment. It's a bit stagnant. Okay. Let's try prompt again. Okay. I guess I had to reprompt this to start all over again. Maybe something was missing behind the scenes. Let's see what it comes out with. As you can see, there's a lot of activities going on the home screen. .tsx. While it's doing that, we can easily go to, let's try to open. Yeah, that's to work. Okay, this is the upgrade to Pro, $20 a month, increase model power 10x to 50x, higher message rate, speed. I guess it's one of the subscription models they have at the moment, but that's if you decide to use that for now. I'm currently on the free version and it's running okay for now. I believe I only have 5 prompt options limits for today. So let's see what we can achieve with that. So far it looks clean, it looks good. But I think what the other thing they can have on here is have an option of an iOS or an Android app review screen, so you can actually see what's going on without me having to click on preview here. I can have like a button that says iOS and a button that says Android, so you can see the different look and feel of the two different apps that we're building. Because this, I believe, this is a React Native app it's building. So based on React Native, both um, need to match when it comes to the look and feel, and also with the usability and functionalities. A little bit different on both apps, but it will be good to see the two different apps side by side. Okay, it's taking a little bit of time. I guess building an iOS or an Android app is not something that takes few minutes when it's compared to building a web app. Example, there's a lot of compilation and build that needs to go that is involved in this, and few expo technology is being used, wrappers is being used behind the scenes. So it could take a little bit time compared to other platforms. So let's give it a while. Let's give it a few minutes and see what it comes up with. Another alternative is to actually have a sample of an app for you to prompt it with. So it gets to understand what's and it gets to target more specific to what you want. So at the moment, I've given a single prompt, a super short prompt, and I'm giving it the power to come up with something intelligent for me. Okay, so let's just try to see where the error is coming from. So let's accept changes and then ask it to accept changes. I believe, like you say, please fix the errors. Voila. Okay, get something now. Okay, finally. All right. There you have it. So this functioning app. So I believe this can easily go for an MVP product. So we haven't integrated into any backend like Supabase or your, you know, MySQL, or you can easily deploy these on iOS, on Android, test flights and see what the actual look and feel will be. I think in the future, okay, you can actually view this on your mobile phone as well. So if you scan this, you can view it on the phone and see the actual display. This is really intelligent. It's really good. I'll be testing this as well. So let's try. What do we have here? Okay, okay. Wow, this is really nice, and it's got the progress bar at the top as well. Um, this is really good actually. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, sounds good. It's good. I'm happy with it. Um, and if you're happy with this, what you can then do is export this. You just click on that, export as a zip file, and potentially, since you have an MVP product, you can then export this and give it to a developer to actually tailor it based on your taste, so you can customize it if it hasn't actually achieved what you want it to do. But you can also, alternatively, you can also upgrade to prompt more, because at the moment I've only got one more remaining changes for today. But if you actually want to finish everything in a one-off, you can pay the $20, and then you can have more prompting options. Prompting options to build it and make it as tailored as you want it to be. And once you've completed that, you can deploy this and then deploy it on iOS emulators, or you can deploy it on iOS and Android emulators or a developer toolkit as well. So if you like to know more about building uh, MVP products or building mobile apps or building web apps, you need someone to help you out, kickstart what you're trying to achieve. Do let me know. I'll be willing to help. And this is one of the AI tools we play around with now. So we'll be protecting and pushing this to one of our clients as well to see how they can achieve their goals. So yeah, if you like this video, do let me know. You can like, comment, and share with your friends and communities. And